Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my...
Hey YouTube, it's me, your girl Holley, back at it with another video. So today I will be straightening my hair. And it's been literally 2 years, so I'm excited to see how long it's grown and everything. So first thing first, I already washed it and deconditioned it. So first I went ahead and did a pre-poo first, and I pre-pooed using this oil, this almond oil. It's the almond cool oil. I pre-pooed with this, and I also did a hot oil treatment with this first, and then I washed that out with this stuff right here, this biotin and collagen shampoo. Love this. And then I went ahead and deconditioned using the Shea Moisture's deep treatment mask. This is my favorite one ever. Okay, so now I'm going to be going ahead and blow drying. So I will be blow drying using Alright, so this is my hair all the way blowed out. So the trick in a good straightening is to have a great blowout. To get your hair as straight as possible with the blow dryer first. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my brand new flat iron. So I usually use the Chi brand straighteners, but this time I'm trying something different. I'm trying the Baby Bliss flat iron. I heard lots of good things about it. So it's kind of like an unboxing. So I got the Baby Bliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron, and this one came with a 1-inch curling wand. Yes, let's try it. I'm super excited. I've been debating about either the Baby Bliss or the clock straightener, so I picked this brand. All right, so here she is. She's so cute. The heat can go up to 450, and yeah, this is the 1.5 inch, by the way. Reaches to me. All right, so for this, I'm just gonna be using the flat iron, a comb, and a serum, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so for this, I'll be using the straightener, a serum. This is gonna be the Design Essentials Silk Essentials. I had it for a while now. Nothing is focusing today, I don't know why. And I'll be using the Moroccan oil treatment. It's oil. Clips. So first I'll be sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. Alright, so let me get in some practice runs first, and I'll be right back. Please don't come for my ends. I know they're horrible. I'm definitely due for a trim. Like I said, I haven't done my hair in haven't flat ironed my hair in 2 years, so I know I'm due for a nice trim. Alright, so first I comb the section out first, and I'll be using the chase method. And honestly, ladies, this flat iron is flames. Like, an easy glide, and it feels like it's actually like making like a squeaky sound, like a squeaky clean sound. Yeah, Yeah, I know my ends are like fried. Like, I know I'm due for a trim badly. All right, but so far it feels great, flowy, soft. And using these products, the serum and the oil, I'm using a tad bit on each section. Well, each like quarter section. All right. Okay, so I'm halfway through. I have this little section left to do up top. So yeah. So that was the last piece. So I know up top is still kind of frizzy and not as flat, but I can't really see. I'm using this camera to see my hair, so I'm gonna go trim my hair and fix up any, like, you know, pieces I see that isn't as straight, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just trimmed my ends off. You can see. Let me see you guys the back. Alright guys, well this is it to this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Thank you.